As technology progresses and more corded products take a backseat to high-performance battery-powered solutions, similarly, your everyday cleaning products are seeing the same progression. While many of you might know Ryobi for its extensive lineup of power tools and lawn and garden equipment, you may not know that we've taken the same innovative battery technology and incorporated it into a wide-ranging category of cordless cleaning products, now with over a dozen different solutions. What's unique about this category is that not everybody is a DIYer or needs a power drill, but every homeowner, college student, parent, young adult, pet owner, really everyone, cleans in one form or another, and Ryobi has a cordless solution for any cleaning need. I'm Shannon, and in this video we'll delve into the realm of stick vacuums, where cordless convenience meets powerful performance. Join us as we uncover the features, benefits, and real-life applications of Ryobi's cutting-edge cordless stick vacuum lineup. Welcome to Ryobi Tools 101. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to hear about new tool announcements, step-by-step tutorials, DIY projects, and so much more. When it comes to Ryobi's innovative cordless stick vacuum lineup, there are a handful of key components that elevate your cleaning routine to new heights. Before we break down each stick vacuum individually, let's take a look at the features included in all of our units. The first and foremost important feature is that we've cut the cord and completely eliminated the use of power cords and outlets in these vacuums. Gone are the days of constantly needing to plug in to power your vacuum, and now you can simply pop in your battery for hassle-free cleaning. Not only do you get unmatched power and continuous runtime, but what sets Ryobi apart is the compatibility of our 18-volt ONE+ battery. With over 300 products in that ONE+ system, that same battery that powers these vacuums will power your drill, string trimmer, fan, speaker, and tons of other products around your home and beyond. Another incredible feature is the self-standing design that prevents your stick vacuum from falling over, which avoids needless damage and provides easy storage. Each vacuum is also equipped with an LED light on the roller bar to illuminate dirt, dust, hair, and other debris. We've also included the ability to remove the roller bars for easy maintenance. Now let's take a closer look at each stick vacuum, and for more information, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Up first, we have the 18-volt ONE+ stick vacuum. The stick vacuum is perfect for anyone living in an apartment or small home with hard surfaces and carpet, looking for a low-cost way to quickly clean their space. With 8 configuration options, this stick vacuum is also great for cleaning messes in cars, on stairs, and in tight spaces, giving you the ability for complete floor-to-ceiling cleaning. In the kit, you'll receive an 18-volt ONE+ 4-amp-hour battery, charger, crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas, and dust brush for delicate surfaces. Up next, we have the 18-volt ONE+ HP stick vacuum. The rest of the vacuums in this lineup all include ONE+ HP technology, which delivers more power, runtime, and durability, utilizing intelligent brushless motors, advanced electronics, and high-performance lithium technology. With this additional suction power, this pet-rated vacuum is great for pet owners or parents, easily cleaning fur and hair on hard surfaces and low-pile carpet. The kit includes an 18-volt ONE+ high-performance 4-amp-hour battery, charger, crevice tool, and dust brush. For this next unit, the 18-volt ONE+ HP high-capacity stick vacuum is our lightest weight in-hand stick vacuum, weighing only 3 pounds while cleaning. This high-performance, large-capacity vacuum features a more traditional form factor, providing a deep clean around the house on hard floors, carpet, rugs, and more. Perfect for homeowners, parents, and pet owners, this vacuum features a wrap defense roller bar to minimize hair wrap up to 9 inches in length. It also includes a high-capacity 1-liter dust cup, allowing you to clean more with fewer breaks between emptying. This kit includes an 18-volt ONE+ high-performance 4-amp-hour battery, charger, and maintenance tool. Stepping up to the next model, here we have the 18-volt ONE+ HP Advanced Stick Vacuum. Not only our most powerful, but also our quietest stick vacuum as part of the Whisper series of products. This high-tech vacuum offers additional premium features, for example, as the only Ryobi stick vacuum with HEPA filtration that captures 99.9% of particles such as pet dander and dust. This unit is ideal for families and pet owners sensitive to allergens. This kit comes equipped with everything you need, including an 18-volt ONE+ high-performance 4-amp-hour battery, crevice tool, dust brush, a mini motorized beater bar which gives you a powerful suction on smaller surfaces like bedding and upholstery, and a micro crevice tool that allows you to get in tight spaces to collect small particles of dust. Also included is a maintenance tool, accessory holder, and even a charging docking station that charges your battery while in storage, so this vacuum is always ready when you are. And finally, we have our first ever 18-volt 1+ HP Swift Clean Wet Dry Stick Vacuum. This 2-in-1 mop and vacuum delivers dual function cleaning for hard sealed floors such as hardwood, tile, luxury vinyl plank, luxury vinyl tile, stone, and more. The Swift Clean technology dispenses solution, cleans, then picks up both wet and dry debris. It's been engineered for everyday cleaning and also to tackle large messes, including cereal, dirt, coffee, and more, with the help of the Max mode, which delivers an extra boost of suction. The LED display has a variety of icons to show the status of the vacuum, such as the self-clean cycle, which flushes the vacuum with clean water when the job is done. This kit includes an 18-volt 1+ high-performance 4-amp-hour battery, charger, 2 roller bars, 2 filters, hard-surfaced advanced cleaning formula, and a self-cleaning stand. Cleaning your home has truly never been easier with this incredible lineup of Ryobi stick vacuums. And now that we've looked at each one, make your way to your local Home Depot or shop online at homedepot.com. With a 3-year limited warranty on all the vacuums we talked about today, be sure to get the most of your purchase by registering them on ryobitools.com, which gives you access to our rapid repair service for ultimate peace of mind. And when it comes to maintenance, we've got plenty of resources in the description below to help you every step along the way. With over a dozen different cordless cleaning products, look no further than Ryobi to keep every surface in your home sparkling clean, both inside and out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all our new content, including our Tools 101 series, DIY how-to series, and so much more.